Kia ora, I'm Becs Gibson and I'm one of the tutors for the Kaitiaki Whenua Trainee Ranger program. We're in this beautiful piece of native lowland tōtara forest, which is one of our sites that we use for lots of our work in mahi. This site's really cool because we've got Foliar Browse Index, which is one of our electives that we're running. And it shows, it's a really quick and direct assessment of the forest canopy. Like, you can look around and see what's being eaten and what sort of animal is doing that damage, so you can then sort of instigate your pest control. When we first get to one of our plots, this is one of our practice plots, plot 4 on the transect, which is a line basically. We take a lot of information about a tagged tree, so we do a bit of a health check on it. So we have our data sheet running, which normally we'd be working in pairs, and then we also give it a bit of a measure, see what sort of stems growth it's had. So we record that, we look up and see how the tree's doing, and we give it a bit of a rating and a score of browse and dieback. So this is our practice plots here. So we've got 5 here that kind of zigzag in and out. So they'd come in and do the practice, and then I send them off to do the assessment on their own. It's a pretty awesome way to check that things are going okay, and a really quick way to see if pests have moved in as well. It's a great conservation outcome monitoring tool. You want to be able to see the results of your pest control in the actual forest. And this is really important for the Kaitiaki Whenua Trainee Ranger program because it gives you a bit of a taste of what it's like to do that mahi, that type of work, and there is lots of work out there for this coming up. It's a really good skill to have.